Good morning again, everyone. This is me, Sir Alan. And for today's lesson, we have estimating square roots. Okay, so in estimating square root, guys, so we just have to follow simple steps para masolve natin yung tamang sagot. Okay? So let's do examples 1 and 2. So let's do first example number 1. So gagawin natin is simultaneous, sundan natin yung steps, and solve natin agad-agad para mas maintindihan. So example number 1 is square root of 10. So una is to estimate. So in estimating, guys, pag nag-estimate tayo, hahanapin natin yung dalawang perfect square number kung saan nandun doon pumagitna yung 10. So hanapin natin yung perfect square number, dalawang perfect square number kung saan pumapagitna ang 10. So therefore, your 10 is in the middle of 9. 9 is perfect square. And 16. Nasa pagitan siya ng 9 and 16. So therefore, the roots of 9 is 3. Because 3 squared is 9. And the roots of 16 is 4. Because 4 squared is 16. Okay? So therefore, your 10 there lies in the middle of 3 and 4. Okay? So ayun guys, estimated natin is yung square root daw ng 10 nasa pagitan ng 3 and 4. Okay? So what's next is to divide. So number 2 is to divide. So gagawin natin, di-divide natin yung 10 by the lowest root. Again, yung 10 is di-divide natin sa lowest root kung saan sa pumagitna. So therefore, this is 10 divided by 3 is equal to 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3.33333 and so on. So therefore, your answer is 3.333. Okay, so ganun na yung kasimpleng gagawin natin, guys, sa step number 2, which is divide. So you have to divide your radicand by the lowest square or the lowest root. Okay? So step number 3, guys, the average. So gagawin natin is to add your answer, yung computed answer natin sa number 1, doon sa lowest root kung saan pumagitan yung 10. I-add natin yung answer natin kanina doon sa lowest root na ginamit natin. Okay? So therefore, this is 3 added to 3.3333. So I suggest, guys, na kukonsider tayo ng 5 decimal places para mas accurate yung answer natin. So gagawin natin, so add yung dalawa. So therefore, this is 6.3333. And susunod na gagawin is, we're after for the average. Now, average ang hinahanap natin. So therefore, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Bakit 2? Kasi dalawa yung term na in-add natin. Because we're getting the average. So therefore, 6.333 over 2. So using your calculator, guys, this is 6.3333 divided by 2. So your answer is 3.1666667 and so on. Okay? So therefore, your answer here is 3.16667. So okay, now we have our step number 3. So let's do step number 4. So step number 4, guys, is we have to repeat the step number 2 and step number 3. So babalik lang tayo sa step number 2 and step number 3. So how to do it is, gagawin natin is to divide your 10. Divide natin yung 10. Yung divisor naman natin, guys, is eto naman yung gagamitin natin. So therefore, this is 3.16667. Okay? Gagamitin natin divisor doon sa step number 4 is the answer or the average answer we computed a while ago. Okay. So therefore, 10 divided by 3.1667 using your calculator. So our answer is 3.157891413. So kukuha lang tayo ng 5 decimal places, guys. So therefore, this is 3.15789. Okay? Okay. So since we have our answer here, gagawin natin is, since babalik tayo sa step number 1 ay 2 and 3, so gagawin natin is to get the average. So average na tayo. So anong average yung gagamitin natin? Is the two answers we have computed a while ago. So yun yung i-add natin and divide by 2. Okay? So therefore, this is 3.15789. I-add natin yung unang computed value natin, which is average also. This is 3.16667 is equal to, so therefore added, so this is plus 3.16667. So your answer here is 6.32456. Okay, so and then we get the average. This is will be divided by 2. So your answer here is, so 3.245 6.32456 divided by 2. So, meron akong sagot dito, guys. Divided by 2 ko na lang. Ayun siya, guys. 6.32456 divided by 2 is 3.16228. Okay? So therefore, our answer is 3.16228 or 3.16. So roughly, guys, our square root of 10 is 3.16. Okay? So gano'n po siya, guys, kadali. I hope nasundan nyo yung discussion natin. Now, let's do example number 2. That is square root of 28. Okay, so unang-unang gagawin is to estimate. So, hahanapin natin yung dalawang perfect square number kung saan pumapagitna yung 28. So, therefore, yung 28 natin is in between of 25 and 36. Okay? So, therefore, the roots of 25 is 5 and the root of 36 is 6. So therefore, your square root of 28 estimated value is in between 5 and 6. So nandiyan sa pagitan ng 5 and 6. So therefore, this is square root of 28 is in between 5 and 6. Okay? So, next is to divide. So, gagawin natin, guys, is to divide your 28, your radicand, by the lowest root. Okay, so lowest root natin is 5. So, therefore, mangyayari dyan, this is 28 divided by 5. Okay, so using your calculator, So our answer is 5.6. Okay, so therefore this is 5.6. Okay, so there you have it guys, we have divided. So therefore our answer is 5.6, okay? So step number 3 is getting the average. So getting the average guys is pag-add natin yung answer natin, computed answer kanina, doon sa division na ginawa natin, doon sa lowest root natin. So therefore, pag-add natin yung dalawa and divided by 2. Okay, so therefore, mangyayari dyan, 5 plus 5.6 is equal to 10.6. So since we are getting the average gugunin natin, so this will be divided by 2. Okay? So therefore, using your calculator, 10.6 divided by 2 is 5.3. Okay? So therefore, this is 5.3. Okay, let's do step number 4. Use result in step 3. So gagamitin natin yung result sa step 3 and repeat step 2 and 3. So repeat lang natin, gagamitin daw natin itong result natin dito. Then we'll go back to step number 2 and 3. So gagawin natin, babalik lang tayo dun sa kanina using the answer of step number 3. Okay? So mangyayari dyan guys, this is, so we'll divide, so step number 2 is divide, no? So therefore divide natin ng 28 divided by, yung gagamitin daw natin is the result of step 3. So therefore, this is 5.3. So therefore, your answer is 5.283018868. So kukuha lang tayo guys ng 5 decimal places para mas accurate yung answer natin. So, kukunin natin, this is 5.2830, so 2. Okay, so there you have it guys, na-divide na natin. Okay, so next is to get the average using the step 3. So, gagawin natin is to add your computed answers and divide it by 2 to get the average. Okay, so therefore we have, this is 5.28302. We'll just add your first computed answer, which is 5.3. So this is plus 5.3. So your answer is 10.58302. Okay? Okay, so let's now divide it by 2 to get the average. So this will be divided by 2. So your answer will be divided by 2. 5.29151. So roughly guys, our estimated answer for square root of 28 is 5.29151 or 5.29. Okay, so ganun lang po siya guys, kadali. Gagamitin na natin is to estimate kung saan pumagitan yung ating radicand or yung square root natin sa dalawang perfect square na number. Then susunod is to divide your square root, yung kinukumpute natin dun sa lowest root natin. Ayan guys. And susunod is to get the average. So add natin yung lowest root natin dun sa computed answer and divided by 2. And just repeat your step 2 and 3 using the computed value for number 3 to get step number 4. Okay? That is all for today guys. I hope you understand our lesson. And thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official. See you soon guys for more videos.